What is it?
So this is the micro Ramrod. It's the newest installment of Andre Cruz. Micro planes. You can be capacitor, but this is all E-20 that we have set up.
Red hot E-20 setup. This is the micro flyer radio timer, which I happen to really like. Alright, wind's coming from that way, it looks like, so point her little nose down and give it a nice glide. Oh, wow. Alright. And right wing down a little too. That's the left wing. There we go. There you go. Alright. That gets up there alright. And now to see what it's going to do next. That DT can pop anytime now. There it goes. Okay. So we're safetying it to the reset position, which that just preps you for the next flight. And then pull a little rubber band. Let's see. So things we need to do. So the Ramrod, if you can see, has about, looking through my phone, that's about 15 degrees down thrust, 10 to 15, and that causes the airplane to nose down, so you have to chuck it up really hard straight up when you launch these things. And there we go. May need a little nose weight there. And ploop. Alright, so we added a little bit of lead right here, and also I re-glued the motor to give it a little bit of left thrust, because it's hooking over so hard to the right. So I would point it about that way since the prevailing wind has shifted.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh yeah, much better rollout.
DT.
There we go. And make sure the stab is seated fully. There we go. Boy, talk about launching into sync.
DT.
Yeah, not the greatest transition. I think it needs some right rudder. Alright, 10-second motor run, 30-second DT now. Still got to work on that stall at the glide transition. What a nice flying airplane, though. going up. Yeah, nice air right there. Yeah, it's actually climbing. And lift. It's so nice. And down we come. So fantastic. Did we get a setting wrong? I think we got a setting wrong.
Oh, probably. Did you make sure that it was seated right?
I don't think I did. I don't think it cares. It's going up. That's insane. Says I have found lift and I'm gonna ride it in my own little way. And there we go. Such a cute little airplane. Such a cutie. Alright, close us out on this.
So this is the micro Ramrod. You can find it on our website, and it's a great little flyer.
We'll see y'all later.
See you later at the field.
Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new Freeflight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.